5 morning drinks that crush high blood sugar. Diabetics, don't skip this. Managing type 2 diabetes isn't just about what you eat, it's also about what you drink. The right morning beverage can set the stage for stable blood sugar levels, while the wrong one can send them soaring before your day even begins. In this video, we're revealing 5 powerful morning drinks that can help lower blood sugar naturally, support overall health, and keep you feeling energized throughout the day. Some of these might surprise you, so make sure to watch until the end. Number 1. Water, the most underrated blood sugar regulator. It may seem too simple, but water is one of the most effective tools for managing blood sugar. When you're dehydrated, your blood becomes more concentrated, leading to higher glucose levels. Drinking enough water helps dilute your blood and allows your kidneys to flush out excess sugar through urine. The key is consistency. Men should aim for about 3.7 liters, 15.5 cups, of fluids per day, while women should aim for around 2.7 liters, 11.5 cups, according to health experts. If you struggle with plain water, try adding a slice of lemon, lime, cucumber, or even fresh mint for a refreshing twist. Start your morning with a full glass of water before anything else. It hydrates your body, jumpstarts digestion, and helps regulate blood sugar from the moment you wake up. Number 2. Green tea, nature's metabolic booster. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, which can help reduce insulin resistance and improve blood sugar regulation. Research has shown that regularly drinking green tea can lower fasting blood sugar levels and enhance insulin sensitivity over time. For the best results, opt for unsweetened green tea. Adding sugar or honey can quickly turn this healthy drink into a blood sugar spiking disaster. If you need some flavor, a squeeze of lemon can enhance the taste and provide an extra boost of vitamin C. Number 3. Coffee, the right way to enjoy your morning brew. Coffee lovers, good news. Studies suggest that coffee, especially black coffee, may improve insulin sensitivity and lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The key here is to keep it simple. Avoid sugar-laden creamers, flavored syrups, or excessive dairy, which can add unnecessary carbohydrates. Instead, drink it black, or, if you prefer a milder taste, add a splash of unsweetened almond or oat milk. For an added benefit, sprinkle some cinnamon into your coffee. This spice has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels naturally. However, be mindful of caffeine sensitivity. While moderate coffee consumption can be beneficial, too much caffeine can lead to stress hormone spikes, which might temporarily raise blood sugar. Stick to 1 or 2 cups per day and balance it out with plenty of water. Number 4. Tomato juice, a hidden gem for blood sugar control. You might not think of tomato juice as a go-to morning drink, but it's a fantastic low-carb alternative to sugary fruit juices. It's packed with antioxidants like lycopene, which has been shown to reduce inflammation, a major factor in diabetes complications. One study found that drinking tomato juice daily helped lower inflammation markers, which can contribute to better long-term blood sugar control. The key here is to choose 100% pure tomato juice with no added sugars or salt. For an extra boost, add a pinch of black pepper or cayenne for metabolism support. If you prefer a milder taste, mix it with a little water or cucumber juice for added hydration. Number 5. Cinnamon milk, a blood sugar balancing nightcap. Drinking a small glass of warm milk infused with cinnamon in the morning or before bed can help stabilize blood sugar. Milk contains protein and a small amount of carbohydrates from lactose, but when consumed in moderation. It provides a steady energy source without causing rapid spikes in glucose. Cinnamon, on the other hand, has been widely studied for its ability to improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar levels. Just a teaspoon of cinnamon a day can have significant benefits for diabetics. Opt for low-fat or unsweetened plant-based milk like almond or oat milk. Simply warm up your milk of choice, stir in some ground cinnamon, and enjoy a soothing drink that works to regulate your blood sugar levels. Final thoughts. When managing diabetes, small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference. By choosing the right morning drinks, you're not only keeping your blood sugar stable, but also supporting your overall health. Whether it's a refreshing glass of water, a metabolism-boosting cup of green tea, or a simple yet effective cinnamon milk, these beverages are easy to incorporate into your daily life. Remember, consistency is key. Make these drinks a regular part of your routine, and your body will thank you. Which of these drinks will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more science-backed tips for diabetes management.